Okay, so what I'd like to do for this video is to walk you through from the student view inside of Canvas how to navigate some of the features and some of the assignments and whatnot within our Technology for Teachers course. So the first thing that you're looking at here is once I've logged into Canvas and I've chosen my course, I scroll down and I get into the course homepage. So this is our course homepage for the Technology for Teachers EME2040. If you scroll down on the homepage, you'll see some important information. We've got a quick welcome video here. Announcements, this takes you to the announcement page, this link does. This information here is just information to get you started in the course, so you'll click here to view that. You can click here to view the syllabus. The weekly schedule is visible from here. Click here to complete the required orientation module. That's important because that's going to walk you through some orientation of Canvas as well as orientation for EME2040. So the Canvas one walks you through how to navigate and some tips and tricks inside of Canvas. The orientation for the course is also embedded in that with that orientation quiz that you have to complete. So make sure that you view this and walk through that content. The way that it is viewed, if I click here, I want to walk you through this concept. The way that I've organized the content in this course is through a term called modules. Modules are really important for you to understand because it'll allow you to view the content that I've assigned. If you open up any module, and I'll show you how you open up the other modules, but this module was just by clicking here. When you scroll down and you read through the content, now this is obviously on you reading through this content, anytime you're ready to go to the next page, you just click next. So modules is a linear way to access content. You can click next or you can click previous. If you click next, it takes you to the next item in the module. If you click previous, it takes you to the previous item in the module. So what I've done for each module is lay out coursework. It's either instructions or assignments inside of modules. So inside of modules, you'll find instructions or assignments. Those assignments could be quizzes, labs, artifacts, discussion boards. So all of the content in the course is built into modules. There are 8 modules for this course. We only have 6 weeks in this course. So what you're going to see is 2 weeks, week 1 and I believe week 4, we're going to actually be working on 2 modules at once. So it's important that you understand that. And I'll take you back through in just a second how you navigate through some of the modules that I've provided. This right here, this download the Canvas student aid is a aid that Gulf Coast has worked with Canvas to provide you as students. This is very important for you to go in and open up and read. It is definitely beneficial to read through this content. This will help you understand navigating through Canvas. I would definitely save this. I would print this off, however it is you want to view the content. But all your questions can pretty much be answered here. So if you have a question about how to post a discussion, you can find tidbits and information here on the actual Canvas job aid or student aid, I should say, help sheet. Okay, so if I scroll down, I'm continuing on through my modules. Okay, if I scroll down through my modules, I can go in and see, right, all of the content inside of the module. So think of modules as a way for you to see in a linear fashion the way that content is delivered in a course. Okay. You don't have to go through and do this in this order. You do need to do the orientation part in this order because you have to take the quiz at the end. But let me show you when we go through Module 1, for example. Inside of Module 1, there's a quiz, there's a discussion post that has to be done, and there's an artifact that has to be submitted. So from week 1, Module 1, if I click on this, you can see that it's linked. Module 3, for example, it's not open yet, so it's not linked. Module 4, 5, 6, those are not open yet. Module 1 and Module 2 are open. So if I click on Module 1, it takes me inside of the module. The first thing you're going to see in each module is just kind of like a little welcome to the module. It tells you what's required for that module. So in this module, I have to complete Chapter 1 quiz. I have to post in the discussion board for Chapter 1. I have to complete the parent communication letter, and then I have to confirm some sort of Gmail account, which will be used later in the course. I also have the option to click here and download instructions to the course or for the module. So you click on that and you can download and print off the instructions. That's an overview of what's required in Module 1, that link is. If I click next, it's going to take me into the next item in this module. Well, the next item in this module is the quiz. Well, let's say I'm not ready to take the quiz yet. Well, I can click next and I can come back to the quiz later on. Maybe I'm ready to post in the discussion board. So here's my discussion board. Here's module 1 and 2 discussion board. These are the instructions and the directions for the board, for posting on the board. You have the rubric here, the groups. Here's examples or instructions for week 1. Here's instructions for week 2. Here is part of the discussion. You'll read, or you'll understand more of that once you read through the directions. And then if you scroll down here, this is where you post, right here on this reply button. You can click here and you can type in your response here and you post the reply, because you're replying to the prompt, and this is the prompt. This is the initial post. So you're going to reply to that initial post. From there, in week 2, for example, when you go in to reply to a student, you'll find one student down here that is posted. You'll see all the postings, and you'll be able to go in and actually post to that particular group, okay, and that particular person. So if I click next here and go to the next item in this module, this is going to be the artifact or the directions, the examples for the parent communication letter. This page here is nothing more than instructions, resources, and directions for that particular artifact. So this is everything you need to know to complete the parent communication letter. So this is going to be done in some sort of word processing program. So you'll leave Canvas, you'll come outside and you'll work on whatever word processing program you have access to, and you'll complete the assignment there. You'll come back into Canvas, and the next item in this module is the submit assignment for the parent communication artifact. So you'll click on the submit assignment button, and you can come in here and you can upload your file, and that's how you submit the assignment. So that's the process through modules. Modules walks you through step by step how to get to different content in the course. So you can go through modules, or you can use on this side of the screen, there will be a variety of navigational tabs available to you. Let's say you want to go in and you want to see all the assignments that are open to you currently. If you click on the assignment tab on the left side of the screen, you'll now see assignments that are available to you in Canvas. So right now, because Module 1 and Module 2 are open, these are the different assignments that are required and that you have access to. So let's say I'm ready to post inside that parent. I have my parent communication letter. I want to see what it's all about. If I click there, it's going to take me straight to the submission screen where I can submit the assignment. What I've done is I've also provided the instructions and the directions for you inside of this screen as well, so that you can see those instructions, the directions on that screen too. So hopefully that will help you in navigating through the course. This navigation tab over here on the left side will be a good way. I'll add the discussions here as well. It'll be a good way to access your discussions. You can access your quizzes and assignments and things from that. I like the idea of driving that through modules though, so that you can easily go through. If everything is gone through modules, then you know exactly where to go to get your content. Always come back here to week 1 for module 1, for module 2. Once we get into week 2, you'll have access to module 3. These will always be open, so you can always click on them. So if I want to get into module 2, I just click on module 2. And remember my next and my previous buttons here, okay? Canvas provides a variety of ways for you to access the assignments and the content in the course. If I click on grades, it's going to show me the different assignments that are assigned to me. So if I don't want to go through the modules to get back to my Chapter 1 quiz, I can just click on Chapter 1 quiz, and it'll take me straight to that particular assignment. So like I said, I hope this helps. Feel free to continue emailing me if you have any questions or concerns. I'll do what I can to help you and assist you. I know it's difficult because it is a fully online class, but it's important for you to start understanding Canvas as well, because this will be something that obviously Gulf Coast is invested in and using for a long time. So thank you so much for viewing this video, and if I can help you, just let me know.